Welcome to Quaid Rangers School and College, North Nazmabad, Karachi. I'm your computer teacher, Miss Asma Tariq. Today we will learn about data storage in computer and how electronic signals are stored in computer memory and the terminology related to the data storage. Let's start. What is data storage? When we will discuss how these electronic signals are stored in the computer memory, when a computer is built, it is provided with a large number of separate memory locations in the processing unit. Each location is given an address in the form of a number. The computer uses this address to reach the required data. But how is the data stored inside the computer memory locations? Bit. Bit is binary digit. Each binary signal, 0 or 1, or electronic pulses is recorded in the memory locations as a bit. A bit is derived from the word binary digit. It is the smallest unit of data a computer can process or understand, and all you know that 1 is represent the on signal and 0 represent the off signal. This means that all the data in computers is stored in the form of electronic pulses. The size of a computer's memory is measured by the amount of electronic signals that can be stored in it. But the memory is not measured in bits. Larger units called bytes are used to store data. 8 bits represent 1 byte. A byte is a combination of 8 bits. Each byte represents a character on the keyboard. A byte represents one character. In this example, this is the byte for the letter C. There are 8 bits that represent one character on one byte. Each 8 divisions in the diagram are the memory locations in the CPU. Each location stores 1 byte, 1 bit. A combination of 8 bits make up a byte. The number of bits provided in each memory location is referred to as the word length of the computer. So we can say that the more bytes a processor can use, the faster it can work things out. When we talk about memory sizes, we refer to the memory size in the terms of kilobytes KB, megabytes MB, gigabytes GB, and terabytes TB. 1024 bytes equals to 1 kilobyte or KB. This is enough space for about 2 pages of text can stored in computer memory. And 1024 kilobytes is equals to 1 megabyte MB. This is enough space for about 5 books or 1 photograph or 1 minute of music to store. Similarly, 1024 megabytes is equals to 1 gigabyte GB. This is enough space for about 400 books or 1000 photographs or 16 hours of music to store. 1 GB hard drive was introduced in 1995 and 1 GB flash drive were introduced 2015. 1024 gigabytes is equals to 1 terabytes TB. This is enough space for 400,000 books, about 30 school libraries, or 1 million photographs, or 2 years of continuous music to stored in computer. Let's recap: bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, and terabyte. Bit is the smallest unit, and the combination of 8 bits represent 1 byte, which represents one character in computer's memory, and 1024 bytes equals to 1 kilobyte. Similarly, 1024 kilobytes equals to 1 megabyte, and 1024 megabytes is equals to 1 gigabyte or GB. Similarly, 1024 gigabytes is equals to 1 terabytes or TB. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with QRSC.